Hey, what's up, guys? Ryan Stryker here. Haven't put anything out in a few weeks. I got a video coming real soon. I'm waiting on a few clips from some friends to get me that footage over so I could put the finishing touches on it. Since I wasn't able to put it out when I wanted to get an intro video created, something a few people told me I should try to do to get people interested and do something kind of really upbeat to catch people's attention. So I spent some time trying to create it. As you can see, I'm editing in Final Cut Pro. I learned a lot of stuff from Ryan Nangle, and I really appreciate him putting the content that he has out. So a lot of some of this stuff has similar effects to what he's doing as I'm trying to gain the technical ability and develop my own style and everything. But I do love his stuff, so I do emulate him a little bit. And so as you can see here, I am currently have a compound clip created. This is made up of several different elements, a bunch of clips binded together if you're not familiar with what a compound clip is. And then once you've created a compound clip, so assume that there was a couple clips that you have highlighted, where if you highlighted several segments, you would just right click, create a new compound clip up here. Then if you also wanted to work on the compound clip, you just go ahead, the compounded clip, you just go ahead and double click it. And you can see here that I have a bunch of different elements going on, glitch titles. I blended them differently, as you can see up here, blend mode, to give them kind of a three-dimensional effect. I have different shapes and everything, and my favorite clips from my Hawaii trip. I can't wait to add to them over the next few months and create a new intro and everything by doing more filmmaking and editing. So want to keep this short. I hope you guys enjoy the intro that I created, and I'm gonna have a video to you guys very soon, and I will be checking in from Miami as much as I can through Instagram. Make sure you follow me on Instagram. It's at I am Ryan Stryker, and make sure you punch the subscribe button down below if you don't yet. I have a lot of cool stuff coming. I hope you guys enjoy it. So, with that being said, I'll see you guys in the next frame.